learn what is string data types in C++. Different types of data types we know in C++, right? So they include integer, character, float, double, void, and all. Now we are going to see what is string data type. So character, what is character data type? When a single letter or a single character is to be given, we are introducing it as char data type. So when group of characters, that means a string, that means a word. Okay, here hello, see this hello is a word. Suppose if you want to introduce this word, so this is not a character. If only H means that is a character. When it comes together, that is a string. So at that time we have to introduce the string data type. Okay, so string data type is used to store a sequence of characters. This is not a built-in data type. String values must be surrounded by double quotes. That is only what we have to make sure that should be enclosed within double quotes. Here an example is given. Example, string is a keyword and then greeting is a name of the string and then you have initialized it as hello. That is okay. See out greeting. That means you are printing the value hello. Here the output will be hello. Okay. Now when you are using string in C++, you have to introduce or you have to include hash include, that is string.h. String header file you have to include. That is, we know as usual at the first line we write, first statement we write hash include iostream.h, right? So after that we have to write hash include string.h. String is one of the most useful data types applied in C++ libraries and the declaration is string. And then string is a data type and test is the name of the string. So string, test, and then here that name includes, this is a test string. Okay. The above statements can be combined as string test is equal to, this is a test string. Now suppose you want to print it, what you have to do is cout test. And then or else you can do cout, this is a test string. Because in the previous portion we have seen, previous slide we have seen that test is, this is a test string. So instead of test here, you can write directly, this is a test string. Okay. String functions are there. Important string functions I have mentioned over here. String copy, strcpy. String concatenation, that is adding two strings, making them together. Two different words you will be having and you are combining them, that is concatenation. String length, finding the length of the string, and string compare, that is two strings you are having, you are comparing them, whether they are same or not. Okay, so let's see in detail. String copy, strcpy, bracket you have to write both the string s1 comma s2. That is copies string s2 into string s1. S2 in the value, S1 in our total, copy out. Okay. Now, next is string cat, that is string concatenation. That is you are going to add S1 string and S2 string and you are making it as a single string. That is concatenate string S2 onto the end of string S1. So after writing string S1 only, string S2 will be added. Okay. Next is string length. Length of the string. Returns the length of the string S1. And then string compare. S1 is one string, S2 is one string. You are comparing both. So return 0. Answer will be 0 if both are same. Less than 0 if S1 string is less than S2 string. Greater than 0 if S1 string is greater than S2 string. Okay. So these are some of the important functions of string. Here is an example of string functions. As usual, hash include iostream.h. With that, we have to write string.h. Okay, and then using namespace into main. And then see this, char str1 of 10 is equal to my. That is, strings can be written as array of characters. So here is the array and char is the data type. Okay, so char str1 is the name of the array 10 is the maximum number of characters, and then my. That will be considered as string since it is in double quotes. And then second string is str2, and that is world. Third one is str3, and that is also the size is 10. One more is there for declaration, integer length, and for len. Here strcpy, this statement shows this copies the value of str1 to str3. Here is the comment line written, and then cout, you have to print it. Cout strcpy, this statement it will appear as it is, and here the output will come. And the next line, this is for concatenation. Concatenation string 1 and string 2, that is strcat. And here you will get the output. Here it is being added, and then the result will be in str1. So that is why you are printing str1. Here len is equal to strlen of str1. This is for string length. And then this statement will find the length of the string str1, and that is stored in len. So here you are printing len. Okay, and return 0 and close the bracket. So this is how you can work with string functions. In today's class, we understood what is string data type and what are the important string functions commonly used in C++. Hope the topic was clear for you. Thank you.